Newton's law of gravitation is a fundamental principle of physics that explains how every object in the universe attracts every other object. According to this theory, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force. This force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two objects and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them.
Every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force. इसका मीनिंग है तो अर्थ एप्पल को अट्रैक्ट करता है, एप्पल अर्थ को अट्रैक्ट करता है, अर्थ मून को अट्रैक्ट करता है, मून अर्थ को भी अट्रैक्ट करता है. एनी टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स, अभी गैलेक्सी में स्टार है, स्टार भी अर्थ को अट्रैक्ट करता है और अर्थ भी स्टार को अट्रैक्ट करता है. तो दिस इज दैट मीन्स every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force. Any two objects. तो अभी mathematically prove करना है. Let us take two objects of mass m1 and m2.
Force of gravity is directly proportional to the masses, product of their masses m1 and m2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That means Fg is proportional to m1 into m2 upon d square. Value of G in SI unit is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Force of gravity का equation है G into m1 into m2 upon d square. From this equation, G is equal to force of gravity into d square upon m1 into m2. Now, what is the unit of force of gravity? That is the Newton. What is the unit of distance? Meter. Meter into meter, meter square upon m1 into m2. Mass unit is kg. That is kg square. Therefore, the unit of G is Newton into meter square per kg square. Students, now one question to you. Think yourself and answer it. And this word wall flashcard link is given in the description box, and PDF notes is also given in the description box. Practice it properly, students. State Newton's universal law of gravitation and write its mathematical form. If the mass of one object is doubled, the force between the two objects also doubles. If the distance is doubled, the force decreases by a factor of 4. If the distance between the two objects is tripled, the force decreases by a factor of 9. The distance between the two objects increases, the force of gravity decreases. Importance of the law. It explains the force that binds us to the earth. It explains the motion of the moon around the earth. It explains the motion of the planets around the sun. It accounts for the tides in the oceans due to the moon and the sun.